Day 8 of our writing of our non-chronological report. We're looking at the paragraph special, so we'll be sentence stacking today. Today we will continue writing a high quality paragraph for our non-chronological report. So what have we done so far? We have created a title, a heading. We have completed our glossary. We've also, as of yesterday, introduced our non-chronological report with an introduction, and today we're focusing on a paragraph which is called the special suit, talking about the science behind the pangolin. Look at the introduction in the text. What does it include? So today we are focusing on the introduction, how to structure it, what to include. Look at what we will be writing today. What does it include? Special suit. Unlike other mammals, the pangolin is covered in scales, but don't let their armored plates trick you into thinking they have an exoskeleton. Oh no, the pangolin is, in fact, a vertebrate with an endoskeleton. When attacked, it cleverly rolls into a tight ball to shield itself from predators. The startled pangolin covers its head with its front legs, rolls up, and uses its sharp, scaly tail to lash its attacker. Wham! Even a lion struggles to open the packed lunchbox. Our writing today includes technical vocabulary, onomatopoeia, and humour. So our 3 sentences will be stacked in that order, looking at these features and trying to understand what they are, and to finish off this paragraph for our non-chronological report. List words to describe the attack. For example, when under siege, when in danger. And you record some more words in your book, so we can use those in our writing very shortly. Now collect words for protect. For example, shield, defend. Can we think of some others? Maybe you could grab a thesaurus or search online. Modelled writing. When attacked, it cleverly rolls into a tight ball to shield itself from predators. Can you replace the word for cleverly rolls, or which is the verb, and the other one, which is to shield or protect itself? Do you have some better words for that? Maybe you could change the way that the sentence begins too. Now it's your independent writing time. You're going to write the sentence in your book, continued on from yesterday's paragraph. It is still the same paragraph. Begin with the conjunction when, and say how the pangolin rolls into a tight ball when it is in danger. So just look at the example, the modelled piece that I've done on the board. When attacked, it cleverly rolls into a tight ball to shield itself from predators. Below are some examples of onomatopoeia used as cartoon fight words. Pow, whap, thwack. What do you notice about them? Imagine you are an animal expert explaining why the pangolin does not have an exoskeleton. What would you say? Write that down in your book. Can you find an example of onomatopoeia in the sentence below? Thwam. Even a lion struggles to open the packed lunchbox. Now describe the scared pangolin. For example, shocked, alarmed. Can you think of some other words that you can write in your book to jot down so we can use in our writing very shortly? Now collect verbs to describe its actions. Rolls up, curls up. Can you think of some more? Can you find some more and record them in your book? We'll need them for your writing very shortly. So here's my piece of writing that I've created. It's our model piece of writing where you're going to get ideas and trying to improve it or change it. The startled pangolin covers its head with its front legs, rolls up, and uses its sharp, scaly tail to lash its attacker. Thwam! Remember to use commas in a list, trying to use the features we've talked about previously. Add in some of those words that are in your book. Now it's your turn to write your second sentence in our sentence stacking. Today, use a negative adjective to describe the pangolin's fear and list the actions it takes to protect itself using precise, very clear verbs. End with an onomatopoeic word for the action of the tail. So if you look at a negative adjective, we've got startled, it was like taken by, it was shocked. Actions, we've got rolls up, and then also we've got the onomatopoeia where we've got thwam. Explain how fierce lions struggle to unroll them. Create humorous ways to describe the power struggle. For example, unable to roll this succulent supper. Can't tackle this shield of scales. Write them in your book so we can use them in our writing very soon. Now I have my model piece of writing. Even a lion struggles to open this packed lunchbox. So surprising how tough the lion is and how strong it is and how much of a predator it is. It's struggling to open the pangolin because it's curled up in such a ball. See if you can start to adapt this for your independent writing on the next slide. Now describe how even a fierce creature like a lion is unable to attack the pangolin in its defensive state. Use humor. Make it interesting, make it fun. So again, look at the bottom down there, at the bottom of the screen, you've got the example to look at for your model right. Even a lion struggles to open this packed lunchbox. Record your sentence in the final one. Do not miss a line. It's the same paragraph. It's the same family of sentences. We keep it together as one. Remember to post your work online so we can mark it. Well done, everyone.